Hi, my name is Dr. Ron Miller. I'm one of the specialists here at Pursuit Physical Therapy. And today we're going to talk about needling, and specifically dry needling. And if you're in the Windermere, Winter Garden, or Horizons West area, we have you covered. So needling is pretty much taking an acupuncture needle, but sticking it in a muscle trigger point. And it works phenomenal in cases like headaches, chronic spine pain, back pain, lateral epicondylitis, or any kind of knee pain, stuff like that. So it works phenomenal for myofascial symptoms. So whether it's chronic spine pain or headaches or migraines or lateral epicondylitis, dry needling and electrode dry needling work phenomenal. So not to get really over complex with this, but you can release trigger points by sticking the needle into the muscle where the pain is generated from. It releases the muscle, and then the pain starts to go away. And you can use the electrodes with it to help change pain processing at the spinal cord and at the brain level. So the main step here is, you can use needling to help get rid of some of that myofascial pain, to help resolve trigger points, and to help decrease pain across the board. We have a special approach here. We're kind of different than standard care. We like to use physical therapy to solve the root cause and the underlying risk factors of why you have the pain, and use the needling to help heal that tissue, get that pain down fast, get rid of trigger points. And the combination of both is what gets our patients faster and fewer sessions and make sure that the pain doesn't come back. So if you're in the Winter Garden, Windermere, or Horizons West area looking for dry needling services, all of our board certified specialists are certified in needling, and we would love the opportunity to help out. So if you're looking for services, you can visit our website below at pursuittherapy.com or give us a call today at 407-335-0403. Thank you.